What happens to your body if you stop sleeping for 7 days? What if you stayed awake for a week straight? By day 7, your body could collapse. But it all starts with day 1. Meet Noah. One sleepless night can make anyone groggy, but imagine 7 days without rest. Let's see exactly what happens inside your body and brain. Day 1, brain fog and energy crash. After 24 hours awake, your brain slows down. Reaction time drops by nearly 20%. Memory gets fuzzy, and concentration plummets. You may feel like you're drunk, even if you haven't had a drop of alcohol. Your body is crying out for rest, but you're still awake. Day 2. Mood swings and emotional instability. By day 2, your amygdala, the emotional control center, goes haywire. Irritability, anxiety, and emotional overreactions are normal. Even small problems feel like huge disasters. Your stress hormones spike, making it harder to think clearly. Day 3. Hallucinations and cognitive breakdown. By 72 hours, reality blurs. Visual and auditory hallucinations appear because your brain is desperate for sleep. Your ability to process information drops dramatically. Tasks that were simple yesterday now feel impossible. Day 4. Immune system collapse. At 96 hours, your immune system starts failing. White blood cells decrease, making you more susceptible to infection. Blood pressure rises, body temperature can fluctuate, and metabolic functions slow down. Your body is running on emergency mode. Day 5. Memory and brain function crumble. After 5 days, your brain's hippocampus, the memory center, struggles to store information. Short-term memory fails, logical thinking almost disappears, and decision-making becomes nearly impossible. You might forget basic things, like where you placed your keys, or even simple words. Day 6. Hormonal chaos and physical breakdown. By day 6, your hormones go haywire. Cortisol spikes, appetite hormones get mixed signals, and blood sugar regulation fails. Your heart rate becomes irregular, digestion slows, and energy crashes. Your body is barely holding it together. Day 7. Critical risk and organ stress. After 7 days, your body is in critical danger. Organs start failing, mental clarity is nearly gone, and without medical intervention, it can be fatal. Sleep isn't optional, it's survival. Sleep restores your brain, strengthens your immune system, and keeps your body alive. Even one bad night hurts, but a week without sleep can destroy you. So treasure your sleep. Your life literally depends on it. If this amazed you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more shocking health facts you won't learn in class.